Welcome to the tutorial of the DIFS 2021 Winter Edition Virtual Expo. First, visit sems-virtualshow.com and simply register an account by filling up the details. Click on Register and you will be redirected to the website. Now simply log in with your credentials to enter the Expo. You can press this button to see the online exhibitors. You can chat, make audio or video calls directly from here. Once inside, click these red markers to move around the venue, and just like that, you can enter the exhibition hall. You can also select a hall by pressing this button. Once inside the exhibition hall, choose any booth from this list or by simply clicking on the booth. After choosing the booth, use the options on your left for videos, documents, live chat, audio call, and other important information of the exhibitor. To schedule a meeting, click on My Appointments and select an available time slot. If you wish to go back to the starting point, click on the Home button. I hope you have a wonderful experience. The DIFS 2021 Virtual Expo team thanks you for being a part of something new and something different.